Welcome to Potion Tech HD. In this video, I will show you some modern agriculture machines. By using them, you can easily agriculture your fields. There is a tractor with two baskets, and by using it, you can easily carry your things. All leaves fall in the back. This is harvester. You can see here there are a couple of tractors. One is carrying the things and other is cutting the things. This machine is being used by removing the grass. This machine is cutting from the both side. This is totally amazing. You can see here. And this is an awesome and mind-blowing machine. It will carry 2 or 3 things as you saw in the video. This tractor and machine are cutting rice fields, you saw. This is also cutting rice fields. This machine is arranging the grass.